The wifey and I are heading to my toy store. Where are we going, Mama?
Harley.
Where?
Cha-ching.
No, that's not what I said. This is why we can't go anywhere.
Bye, Yogi.
Bye, Yogi. I think he's mad at me. So in preparation for Daytona Beach, we're going to check out Newport Richey Harley Davidson, so I can get some stuff for my 3-hole change for the bike. And I'm bringing Mama with. She gotta look all good. At the Newport Richey Harley Davidson. So it'll be kind of cool. I've been here a few times. I like it here. We got toys. I do like that CVO. Oh, that's the 2026. All right, son, look. You don't like the red flaking?
Nope.
Really? I think it's gorgeous. Pretty good. What was your name?
Cody.
Cody?
Yes, sir.
Joe.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. But I saw these babies, I'm like,
Oh, man, dude, this might be my favorite paint scheme that they've
dude,
come out with.
seriously.
It's awesome.
That red like that? That is crazy.
So they made custom cast bars for the Street Glide CVOST.
That's right.
Yeah, so they feel just like the Road Glide T-bars, but you still have access to that drawer and the full screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, I got a 24 Road Glide, but the blue.
Okay, yeah.
So I got that one. And I fell in love with the infotainment and so forth. That's why she's kind of walking away like,
Okay.
we're done. We're not doing this. That's what I have to go. That's sweet.
I got my 15 Road King, and I just got a 25 Road Glide, and my girl's like, no more. I'm like, come on now.
Just one
New
more.
colors. I need another one.
Now this is beautiful.
Yeah, so it actually comes with a 121 high output, so it's a little bit different than the VVT models that come in a regular CVO compared to the VVTs are a little bit better low end torque.
Okay.
So you lose a little bit that get off the line, but once you get up and go, it'll catch it back up in the quarter mile.
Oh,
Yep.
This I saw and I had to see it. I was so glad you guys have it.
Yeah, they are awesome. And the thing, this is even a paint upgrade for the CVOST. They don't even charge extra for this one.
It's that red. It's driving me nuts.
Yeah.
Like in a good way.
They said out in the sun. We got that one out in the sun for that reason. It is insane.
Well, as soon as I get my parts, I'm gonna definitely check it out.
Yeah.
I came here and I think I met what was it? Rooster.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And he's our assistant sales manager.
Yeah, and I was like, is it okay if I come in here and record and stuff like that? And he's like, yeah, no problem. I'm like, oh. If you want to even test ride one, I'm like, no, thanks. I'm gonna end up being in trouble. I love this place. And the best part is it's only about 10 minutes away from home. If that. I think it took us 5 minutes. So I saw this online and I was not sure if I would love it. This bike is gorgeous. 26. And I love the seat on this. I didn't think it was gonna be comfortable. I sat on it, it's really nice. It's got the lights on the lowers. This looks sweet. This is just beautiful. I'm gonna go take a look at other ones. Because I'm looking at toys. What you doing?
Things for you.
Oh, 5 Christmas ones.
Because
That's mean.
And you know, where's this one?
You make me. You make me. Because it's Harley. It's because it's Harley. You have to wear it. True story. Look, this is the gut. I know. I want to see the other ones out there. So that's the street glide version. Here's the road glide. It's the same in the back, but it's the road glide. The only part, believe it or not, that kind of bothers me is the windshield. Because the windshield I have is about that same height, but it's got the Harley emblem with the groove. It just looks nicer.
You guys sketch them out.
Oh yeah, it'll fit right there, yeah. Look at that seat. Let's go look at the toys outside.
Sure.
And the nice lovely sun. Yes, because it's freezing in here.
In Illinois.
In Illinois. I'm gonna lose a lot of subscribers because of that. She said it, I didn't. So remember on the one video we did where I was at the Lakeland Harley, they had the street glide with that teal, and I loved the color, but we were inside. Here's the road glide in the sun. This is gorgeous. Say hi. You know what? You hear it over and over on the videos that it doesn't do any justice on video. It's true. This thing is just flaking. And here's that CVO. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. That red flaking. The red flaking is absolutely beautiful. You know what? I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the whole concept of the colored windshield. I'm really liking it. I mean, it does nothing for wind buffering, but that looks gorgeous. T-bars. Has a stage 2 speakers. Sissy bar. Liking. This reminds me of Tigger. This doesn't remind you of Tigger? Huh? If it was all chrome. Yeah, these are just beautiful bikes. I'm loving the CVO ST. I hope I'm getting that flaking. It just yeah, so if you guys want to check these out and you're in the area, you got to check out Newport Richey Harley Davidson. I'm loving the stuff they have over here. Very kind, walked in with the camera, cracking jokes, good people here. So which one looks better, the CVO, the wife? I'm gonna get in so much trouble. And there's another subscriber I lost. Forever. No, I didn't. I just stayed there. Just like. All right, so Newport Richey Harley Davidson, my new home Harley. You guys are in the area, you gotta stop by here. We've been greeted with a bunch of people, really nice. I'm probably gonna come here and test out some of their 26 models, put it on the channel. So find a purpose for your ride. Make sure you find a purpose for your ride, and I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.